So less is the energy of n plus L, lesser is the energy of the orbital, right? Less is the value of n plus L, lesser is the energy of the orbital, right? And there is one more thing that we need to understand here is that the energies of orbitals in the same subshell decreases with increase of atomic number, right? That is, if I talk about hydrogen atom and lithium atom, right? This is your hydrogen atom, right? That has +1 nuclear charge, right? Z is equals to +1. Here Z is equals to +3, right? And if we talk about the first shell, right? So this in case of lithium, then there is a high nuclear charge. So high nuclear charge means high force of attraction. So high force of attraction means less energy, right? If you talk about hydrogen atom, hydrogen has less positive charge on the nucleus, so force of attraction on the electrons would be less. So energy of orbitals would be, energy would be more because there is less force of attraction, right? This is one thing that we need to consider. It's important. So the energies of the orbitals in the same subshell, right? Energies of the orbitals, if we talk about the first orbital only, like we discussed here, the energy of the orbitals in the first shell, the 1s, right? The 1s subshell in case of lithium, and if we take the 1s subshell in case of hydrogen, so the energy would be high in case of lithium, right? So energies of orbitals in same subshell decreases, the energy in case of hydrogen, energy in case of atom that has high atomic number, right? That is lithium, right? Would be less, right? So we say that the energy in case of hydrogen atom, is greater than energy in case of lithium atom. This is what it means. Why this happens? Because of increasing nuclear charge, right? The high is the nuclear charge, high will be the force of attraction between the orbitals and the nucleus, right? So in case of lithium, the force of attraction is high because of high nuclear charge, so its energy would be less. Whereas in case of hydrogen, if we talk about the same shell, right? If we talk about the same shell and subshell, that is 1s, here the force of attraction on this 1s subshell would be less compared to lithium. Since force of attraction is less, so energy would be more, right? So this is the case. EH is high. Energy for hydrogen atom is high for the same subshell, right? I hope all this is clear to you. Just remember all these things. This SPD explanation is important. The main reason is shielding of nuclear charge or shielding of outer electrons from shielding of outer electrons by the inner electrons, right? Or the shielding of, we also call it as this shielding of nuclear charge due to the inner electrons, right? Because basically these electrons are acting as a shield or screen between outer electrons and the nucleus, right? And remember this also, that if we talk about the same subshell, the energy decreases, right, with increasing nuclear charge because of high attraction. With increasing nuclear charge, the attraction increases. I hope all this is clear. Thanks.